Do you ever wish that your phone could shoot like a real camera? Well, these tiny filters could be the missing piece. So Moment released these not too long ago, the Moment Quick Lock filter. No more janky third-party filters, no more taping a filter to your lens. These are small, easy to use, and genuinely useful if you want to get the best looking shots from your iPhone. So if you shoot a lot on your phone and you want portability without sacrificing control, the system's worth taking a look at. This video isn't sponsored. Technically, I work for Moment. I'm one of their resident YouTubers right now, but they don't know that I'm making this. But clicking the affiliate links in the description does help me out. So there's three main types of quick lock filters. There's a VND filter, which reduces the amount of light that's hitting your phone's camera sensor. You use this to get more cinematic motion blur, especially when you're outside in bright sunlight. There is a CPL filter. P stands for polarizer. This is really handy for reflective surfaces like water or vehicles or windows. Also, at the right angles, you'll also get richer, deeper colors, most notably in the sky. And there's a mist filter, and this one's all about the vibes. It blooms your highlights for a dreamy cinematic feel and reduces the oversharpened image that cell phones are notorious for. This is what these look like. Some of these have a dial on the side and some of these don't. So to attach these to your phone, you're gonna need a compatible Moment phone case, and it's gotta have this drop-in mount right here. The reason you need the drop-in mount is because it's got this little lip around the side. So you'll take your Moment filter, you'll put it over top here, push the button, lock it into place, it's not going anywhere. And as a bonus, check this out, this drop-in filter also can attach Moment T-series lenses. This is the 58mm lens, and you just attach this to the front here, put it on, twist, and now you got a lens on here as well. So this drop-in mount is extremely useful. Something I really appreciate about these quick lock filters is how slim and portable these are. Some of these other brands have larger pieces that fit onto the lens of your phone, but I can easily slip this into my pocket and I don't even notice that it's on there. To get the highest quality photos and videos using these filters, I would recommend not using the stock camera app on your iPhone. It'll work, but you won't get much control or the best results if you don't use a more professional camera app, like the Moment Pro Camera app, Kino, Blackmagic Cinema Pro Camera app, what's it called? Halide, apps like that. I also recommend shooting an Apple log to get the highest quality video. Just like any other filter for your lens, these are expensive, high quality pieces of glass, so it's great that Moment has given us these carrying cases, and they also include a little wipe in case you get fingerprints on your filters. Actually, so let me know in the comments, are these things just hype? Are they overkill? Are they too expensive? Or are these just perfect? My name's Davey, thanks for letting me spill the gravy, and if you want to learn about a terrible but absolutely beautiful lens, you can check it out right here.